What is going on, YouTube world? Well, got the garden tilled up before the rain comes in tonight, and it's not quite as big as it was last year. I wanted to do a little bit smaller, but I still got plenty of room, plenty. But got my tomatoes, my seedlings growing, and I got cucumber already growing in my seedling pots. So tomorrow I will get up and I'm gonna cover it with my landscaping paper. Keep the weeds out this time. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the collard greens, kale, mustards, and turnips in the ground, along with my okra. I think I'm gonna do some cabbage too. But like I said, it's done. And hopefully it's not raining tomorrow morning where I can get up and go ahead and cover it, because I am not doing the weeds this year. Not doing the weeds. But I will come back to you guys once I get the paper laid down and start dropping some seeds in the ground. I know it comes off like it's a little late in the, well, not in the month, the month just started, but I should have actually did it last month, but we still had 30 some odd degree nights, so I'm gonna go ahead and get them in the ground ASAP. Alright, I appreciate y'all tuning in. Come back to you once we get ready to start putting them in the ground. Later. Alright, YouTube, we back again. So I've actually covered up the garden with the landscaping material, trying to keep all the weeds out this year. Tilled up this whole area, but I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with the uncovered area yet. But I got plenty of room, to plant my corn, my greens, okra, cucumbers, tomatoes. Got more than enough room. Like I said, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this side yet. I did actually fertilize the whole area first and water it before I actually put the cover down, so everything should be all good. But I gotta figure out, what do I want to put back here? And of course I'm gonna have to cover it up also, but I got plenty of landscaping material. So once I find out, I will come back to you guys and I'll make another video when I get the seedlings in the ground. Check back with me. Peace. What's up, YouTube? Back to you again with another video inside the garden. So I got some corn sprouting up right here. Sprouting on up. Got some okra plants. Got some radishes growing. Got some Tabasco peppers and some cayenne peppers growing. Got some tomatoes coming on up. Yeah, they coming on up pretty good. Got my kale and collard greens coming on up. Yeah, they sprouting. They growing pretty good. Yeah, they coming on up. Got some more corn growing. Yeah, it's sprouting. Got some cucumbers. Yeah, everything coming on up pretty good. I got another row of collards and turnips in this little area right here. Yeah, I just planted those, so give them about a week. They'll be up. Then I got the rest of this area. I got to figure out what I'm going to put in there. Probably throw some watermelon, maybe cantaloupe. But I'm going to plant some more stuff out there. All right, I'll come back to y'all when I got another video. Peace.